Oh, it looks like they're off the light. There's a big light out there. I think they're lighting lights. I think it's about to start. I'll flip this camera around to you guys. You see them out there? It looks like they're lighting.
Okay. It's okay, Diego. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Family Fact Totem. Hey, Hanson, I don't know if you heard, but I won Best of Show, Best Spot here too. Hocking Hills Big $100 meal kit package, a hat, all kinds of stuff. A big trophy with the Sasquatch. Yeah,
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Diego. It's okay. Oh, pretty. Oh, pretty, right?
Best manicure, else won. White Sasquatch, but I won the best. I won the best of I can tell
It's
you guys,
okay,
I
Diego.
was ready to tell the story.
It's okay.
My beard, tore up to the other, and I have a great story to go along with that I did for people here. And what it is
It's okay. That's a biggie, huh? It's okay. It's okay.
and I'd come up to
That was a little dud. That was just a little dud. Oh, there was a biggie.
When I got up close to it, a squirrel jumped out of the middle of my stomach, right at my face, and it was like slow motion. Big. And trying to get out. The more he got trying to get out, the more tangled he got. I ended up working my shirt off, grabbed him up in my shirt, getting him loose from my beard, but him trying to fight inside of my beard. I did take him to the vet. The vet was able to treat him. Released him somewhere in Southern Ohio. I've kept track. I've got a hold of him. He's doing fine. He's got a few kids. My beard is the biggest blunt. You know, it looks a little lopsided. He's filling back in and he's doing good. He's just glad that the squirrel did.
Ow!
Oh yeah, the camp. I didn't know what. Well, I knew I was only coming down Saturday. But was it any hard?
Got smoke. We got the smoke here. What do you think? The fireworks? You like the fireworks, Diego?
Good fun stuff. There's hikes to do around here. They have night hikes. Woohoo! This here is super hot, but it's still right. And not only that, you're right here. 8 minutes south of Mojave Hill. Mojave Hill is great. So, well, last night we camped at Ray's house. Tonight we're just camping in the parking lot. I talked to them, and you have to rent or schedule your camp. They're only allowing 2 days. It's 2 days. And now it's over. So I don't need campers. It's over 50 campers. Everybody smoosh that like, but please. This is the largest festival in the world. They claim that it is the biggest Bigfoot festival in the world. There's people here with audio files. The people here with their audio files and stuff are the largest.
You like Jim Purdy? You like the fireworks?
And they put on David Canterbury's here. There are other survivors.
I do a lot of different things.
Pathfinder was here.
Hiking,
Just a lot of good people. Cryptid of the Morning was here. Turtleman was here. And, just tons of things. Everyone had a great attitude. Art Abandonment Adventures. Candy, Art Abandonment Adventures is in here. Are you kidding me? Hey, 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 don't go away. Don't go, no. Don't go away. I'm going to make you a moderator. I have not seen you in years. It is so good to see you. Hey, Art Abandonment Adventures. How are you doing? Wow. I'm glad that you came in here. How you doing? Please, keep in touch. That is absolutely amazing. Can you believe that? It's been, what, 2 years since we've seen it? Has it been 2 years since we've seen it?
Where you're at.
I think it's been 2 years.
Where are you coming in from, if you don't mind me asking?
Turtleman's genuinely a nice guy. And I hurt my hand. I don't know if you saw that too. I had bandage on it. He's like, what happened to your hand? I said, oh, well, I was trying to play Turtleman and I got in the water. I found me a turtle. I reached down to grab him. This is a big one. His tail's huge. I picked him up. It wasn't his tail. Snap! It bit me right in the hand. He laughed. He said, yeah, they'll do it. And then I tried to get Swamp Man in the school competition. He goes, no, I can see it. He's got me beat. I said, I know. You need to be in it so we can knock you down a few times. He just laughed too.
I'm not sure exactly what gas is in Michigan, because when I was by the gallon when I left Michigan, and that was 3 or 4 days ago.
So the cost of this event is $10 for parking. You can have as many people in your car as you need, and yeah.
This is quite a bit of fireworks for this. It's a beautiful show, folks.
10 minutes so far. I started 6 minutes early. So it's definitely 10 minutes long so far.
Are you owner of the gas station?
Oh my gosh. Ah. Oh!
Now that was good.
Oh!
You gotta come. Hockey
Oh, guys.
Fest 2026.
Here we are.
Make sure you make it.
There you go.
Keep finding the art and everything.
That was the grand finale.
Go over
folks.
to
Oh, here goes. There's a Bigfoot Festival, Hocking Hills
Hit the like button on your way out.
area.
Love you guys. Thank you.
MacArthur, Ohio. October 9th, 2025. And you guys have a good evening. I'm going to finish this up. And say good night, everybody. Let's lock this up and go camping. Good night. Thank you for showing up.